Hi guys, I'm Callista and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own bird feeder. 3, 2, 1, like and subscribe. And here's what you need. You need bird seeds, a spoon, a roll, and don't forget the string, that way it can hang out. And you'll be using peanut butter to stick it on. So first, here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be opening the peanut butter, getting some peanut butter, and just doing this, that way I can spread it on the back. Wow, that's how it works.
Because you don't want to spread too much.
And you can also use a knife if you want, but we're just using a spoon. Wow.
Keep going.
Okay, I need Mama's help.
You need my help?
Yeah. Harder than I thought. I thought it would be easy.
Here, put it on your plate. Hold it still for me.
Okay. You can use help if you want. I'm just using help because it's long
spin
and
it.
Mama's faster.
And what happens when you spin it?
And when you spin it, the seeds go on.
Okay, make sure the string is out here though. Okay, as Mommy hasn't figured out the video editing
Got
software.
some on me.
That's alright.
I can eat it because there's no
And
seeds on it.
if you're allergic to peanut butter or there's peanut allergies in your house, you can also use coconut oil.
Yeah.
But we thankfully don't have any peanut allergies in our house.
So we're using peanut butter.
Okay, do you think we're all coated?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so let's roll the rest. There we go. Yeah. Bird seeds on me. Don't want bird seeds on me. And look it. Wow.
And then what do you do with it?
And then we will hang it up for the birds to eat, but on a tree, that way it can hang up.
Okay.
Or if you have a hanger, you can hang it on that.
Or if you live in an apartment, you can put it on your balcony and hang it up there.
Okay, I need help.
Alright, we'll tie it outside when we put it on the tree.